2017 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, power seat, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, speed control. Come take a test drive today.